Welcome to our channel African Things. Join us as we pass by the Okomfo Anokye statue in Kumasi, Ashanti, Ghana. Okomfo Anokye was a powerful traditional ruler who helped Osei Tutu I to form the Ashanti Kingdom in Ghana, and they have this statue located at Bantima in Kumasi. It's opposite the Okomfo Anokye Teaching Hospital. And today, on our way to Bekwai, we passed by it and we decided to give you a video from the scene. This building that you are seeing painted white is one of the historic sites in Ashanti, Ghana. We are near, and that is the Okomfo Anokye Teaching Hospital you see, and this is the Okomfo Anokye statue. In due time, we are going to come around and give you an in-depth exploration of the place. Kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and let us have any question in the comment box. Thank you for watching.